Now we're going to discuss the hand tool. The hand tool can be found in our toolbox here, and of course it's hard to miss because it has a little hand right here. If we click on it, you can see that this is just a move tool for just grabbing your screen and just moving it around. But I find this really an inefficient way to work. Let's max out my screen here. Actually, let's zoom in because you can't use your hand tool when it's maxed out. Let's say I have my brush tool selected. I'm going to hit B for my brush tool. Well, if I hit the space bar, the hand automatically comes up. So I don't have to actually switch tools to actually use my hand tool if I'm moving around my photo doing color corrections with my brush, or just painting and doing things, because red looks really good on this photo. But it's like when I hit my space bar, it's like my hand tool comes up. So this is a better way to manage your workflow when using this tool. Also, the hand tool has a shortcut key of H. If you want to just hit H to have your hand tool come up automatically, and go back to the brush tool, hit H. There it is. Hit B again for my brush tool. But I'm going to press space bar because this is a more efficient way to use my time. So there's your hand tool. Remember your space bar shortcut key, and it'll help you get things done a lot faster. Enjoy.